Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to edit ringtones using KineMaster and AV Player. So first you have to go to AV Player application. So as you can see, I went to AV Player application. So there are three icons in the top. Select to this pencil icon and you have to select these three options: final, composition, composition 1 and composition 2. Now what you have to do is you have to press on this plus icon, select audio provider, press it for 2 seconds and push it down below final composition. Second, you have to select this option called image. So this is basically the first image, the background image. Now third option is motion blur effect. So select this option, motion blur effect, and push it down below image. Now you have to select this particle. So if you want particles you can add, or else you can leave. So I'm adding this because of the video purpose. Now you have to select the second image, select this option called image and push it down below to composition 1. Last option you have to select is the bars. Select the option bars and push it down below image 2. So as you can see, now everything is over. So you have to select these options: audio provider, image, motion blur effect, particles, image and bars. So these are the applications you have to select. Now what you have to do is you have to select the background image. So I am going to show you how to use background image. You have to open Pixel Lab application. I'm opening Pixel Lab application. So there is option of three dots. Select this image size and select it for YouTube channel banner. Select the option for YouTube channel banner, and as you can see there is a plus icon over here. Select from gallery, and I have downloaded this wallpaper from Pinterest, so you can get cool wallpapers from Pinterest for ringtones. Now I want the background image for this image. Now you have to go to this last icon, press for colors, and as you can see you have to select the color option and press the plus icon. And as you can see there is two pencil icon, one is ink and one is pencil icon. Select to this ink option and you have to select the second image, and as you can see this is the background color I wanted, so I am selecting this one. So as you can see now the background color has been done. You can delete this image if you want, or else you can delete this image. So the background image has been done. Now I'm exporting this one. Sorry, there is ad running behind. So I will close this application. So now the background image has been downloaded. Now you have to open AV Player. So as you can see I have opened the AV Player application. Now you have to go to image option, select image option, pick image, and as you can see you have to select the first image is the background image. So select the background image, and as you can see you have to select the second image, so that is below composition 1. Select this one and pick image, select for second image if you want. So as you can see this is the background image and this is the second image. Now go to background image. As you can see there is an option in pick image, there is option called keep aspect ratio and crop to fit. Select this option. So as you can see now I have selected this option. Now it's the background image is full. Now we have to select image 2 below composition 1, and you have to change the position. I'm pushing this one towards the left side. Now we have to go to bars. As you can see you have to go to bars and move the position towards left side, right side. Yeah. Now what you have to do is you have to go for audio provider. So there is option called general. Now we have to go for bars. Go to bars and select the option as select from circle to horizontal line. Next in segment 1 select the option to round bars, and in segment 2 you have to select it option for round bars. Next, go to audio provider. Next you have to go to spectrum, and as you can see, this is sample outcome. Make it very less, above 4 or 5 if you want. How much ever you want, you can keep as much as you want. So I'm keeping just 4 5. I'm keeping just around 4, so 4 is well enough. So I'm keeping 4. Yeah. Now you have to again go for bars. As you can see, there is an option called bar width. Now you can see so as you can see, the size of the bar is becoming larger. Go to this bars option and move the position. So as you can see, now the bar has been selected, so the bar has been ringing. Now you have to go again once again to bars option and select this option called flip input, and select this option called mirror and mirror. So you have to select mirror in both segment 1 and segment 2. Next, what you have to do is go to bars, and as you can see, there is an option called behavior, and make the softness to 0. So as you can see, now it's been working. So as you can see, it's been ringing. So you can't hear the internal volume because I'm using mic, so but I'm going to show you the preview as I am showing the preview in the video. So as you can see, the bar is working very fine. So if you want to make the shakiness very less, go to option called audio provider, and as you can see, there is a spectrum hertz. Make the higher spectrum hertz to very low, so that the shakiness will be very less. So as you can see, there is no shakiness. You can make the shakiness very less if you want. You can keep audio provider spectrum hertz to very less if you don't want the shakiness. So you can make it very low if you don't want any shakiness or like anything. So everything is done. Now last option is select option called text. So you can go to general, make this appearance as so I'm adding my channel name, ThugBits. So I have added my channel name. As you can see, I'm pushing this towards upside, so you can see now I have selected this option called ThugBits. So you can add your channel name in the text and push it down below bars. So as you can see, I have selected these options. Now you can export the image. So you can select this option, select it for select as main, hide app logo, and the ringtone is just for 29 seconds, so I am selecting option to 29 seconds. So you can export the image.